Hello dear students, welcome to EVS2 class. Today we are going to study our third lesson. But before starting our lesson, I would like to ask few questions. Can you identify this picture? Yes, Maloji Raje. Can you identify this picture? Correct, Shahaji Raje. So students, as you have knowledge about Maratha Sardar, today we are going to study the lesson about Maratha Sardars, the famous house of Bhosles. As the son preached devotion to God, the brave Maratha Sardar started a tradition of bravery. This was a period of great unrest. Students, unrest means difficult time. The two sultans, the Adil Shah of Bijapur and the Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar, were constantly at the war with each other. They made use of the army of Maratha Sardars in this war. Adil Shah and Nizam Shah were continuously in the fight. In that fight, or we can say in war, they using Maratha Sardars' army. The brave Maratha Sardar. The Marathas were both brave and tough. They were also fearless and loyal to their master. They were proud of their achievement on the battlefield. The brave Maratha soldiers, with a spear in hand and a sword at the side, would ride in his Sardar. All the Maratha Sardar had their own private armies. If such a Sardar went to Sultan with his army, the Sultan gave him employment or made him a Sardar of his kingdom, and sometimes conferred a Jagir upon him. The Sardar who received such a Jagir considered himself a Raja. Students, here Marathas were brave and tough. Brave means very. They don't have any kind of bother, means ready to die, and tough means very strong. And they were loyal to their master. Whatever their master say, they're ready to do. And they will feel very proud after winning the battle on battlefield. Sir, these Marathas soldiers having one hand spear, a side a sword. They're ready to die with Sardar or ready to fight with their Sardar. And all Maratha Sardar having their private army. If such a Sardar suppose they went to any Sultan with their army, the Sultan gave him employment or give a work or make him Sardar in their court, or sometimes he gave conferred a Jagir. Jagir means some villages under the control of that Sardar. After receiving that Jagir, the Sardar consider himself a Raja, means he become a Raja of that village. The tradition of valor. All these Sardars were brave, but many of them were sworn enemies of one another. They never thought that they should unity and do something for the people. So all their valor and bravery served their interest of others. Even so, they kept alive the warlike spirit, especially among the young. Many famous soldiers were born in the families who kept alive the tradition of valor. Among the famous families, the Bhosles of valor showed great bravery and enterprises. The Temple of Grureshwar. It was about 400 years ago. The Temple of Grureshwar near the Vellore caves was falling to pieces. The wall had developed crack. The priest also had distracted the temple. This temple, which was built in the honor of a great god, was totally neglected. All the devotees who came there mourned over the sorry state of the temple, but no one thought to repair it. A great devotee of Shiva visited the temple regularly. He would put flowers and beil on the lingam and express his innermost thoughts to the god. He carried out extensive repair to the temple and restored it to its original condition. He also made arrangement of the proper maintenance of the temple. Now there were light both inside and outside the temple. Lost grandeur of Drureshwar was restored. Who was this devote? Who did all this? He was Maloji Raje Bhosle. The Bhosles of Verul. Maloji Raje Bhosle, the Patil of Velur, was a great devotee of Shiva. Babaji had two sons. Maloji was the elder and Vithoji the younger. Babaji Raje Bhosle had the right of a Patil in the Velur village. Maloji and Vithoji Raje, both brave and enterprising, they had in their service many army Maratha troops. It was a period of great unrest. The Mughal emperor from Delhi had attacked the kingdom of Nizam Shahi. Daulatabad was the capital of Nizam Shah. Malik Ambar was his wazir, or we can say chief minister. Malik Ambar was able and wise. The two capable, brave brothers from Velur soon caught his attention. On his recommendation, the Shah conferred on Maloji the Jagir of Pune and Supe Parganas. So, the Bhosles became rich and powerful. Maloji Raje's wife was Umabai. She came from the house of the Nimbalkar of Paltan. They had two sons, Shahji and Sharifji. Maloji Raje was killed in the battle of Indapur. At the same time, Shahji Raje was only 5 years old. Then Vithoji Raje looked after the children and the Jagir. Later, he asked in marriage of Shahji, the daughter of Lakhojirao Zadav, Jijabai. The daughter of Lakhojirao Zadav was favored by the god. Lakhojirao Zadav accepted Vithoji's proposal. Lakhojirao was a brave and violent Sardar in the court of Nizam Shah. He kept a large army of his own. He commanded great respect and honor at the court of Nizam Shah. He celebrated the wedding of Shahji and Jijabai with great pomp. Jijabai became the fortune of the Bhosles family. Shahji Raje. Nizam Shah transferred to Shahji Raje the Jagir had conferred to Maloji Raje. Shahji Raje was a brave and capable man, held in a great respect at the court of Nizam Shah. The Mughal emperor decided to conquer the kingdom of Nizam Shah. For this, he made an alliance with the Adil Shah of Bijapur. Malik Ambar and Shahji Raje fought bravely to save Nizam Shahi. They defeated both the armies. This battle took place of Bhatiawadi near Ahmednagar. Sharifji was killed in the battle. Shahji Raje displayed great valor. He was praised everywhere as a brave general. His reputation in the court was so enhanced that even Malik Ambar began to feel jealous of him. Gradually, he led the relationship between them. As a result, Shahji Raje left Nizam Shahi and joined the court of Adil Shah to Bijapur. Adil Shah honored with him the title of Sher-e-Lashkar, Chief of Army. Later, there were many developments in Nizam Shahi. The Wazir Malik Ambar died. In scheming for son Fateh Khan became the Wazir of Nizam Shahi. During his period, the Nizam Shah began to decline. At about the same time, there was a threat of Mughal aggression. So, Nizam Shah's mother appealed Shahji Raje to return to Nizam Shahi and save it. Therefore, Shahaji Raje left Adil Shahi and returned to Nizam Shahi. Hope students you like this lesson. If you like, and I'm